Hey guys, I got the Enkei RPF1s installed 17 by 7.5 plus 45 offset. So basically almost stock sized wheels. The only difference is the offset. It's 48 instead of 55. So the wheel pokes out a little more. So like I said, I was going to make an update video about how it affects the acceleration of the car, how it affects the steering input, and how it affects the cornering. So far, acceleration, I noticed a massive difference. From a dead stop, the car feels like it has 10 to 15 more horsepower. So instead of being a 201 horsepower car, it feels like this car has 215 horsepower. It feels a lot zippier. It felt like it gained more low-end torque. Because if you ever driven a K-Series car, NA stock, you know there is no low-end torque below 3,000 RPM. So I had to apply less throttle to get the same acceleration as before. And it makes day-to-day driving much better now. I don't have to romp up the throttle, rev it out to get it to go. The car just feels so much quicker. In terms of steering input, so I drove around, moved the steering wheel really quick. I didn't notice any difference in steering response. I guess that has to, that's attributed to my Kona yellow shocks right here, in the rear and the front, along with my ST 19mm rear sway bar and my PCI Fastlane spherical front lower control arms. I guess that all of that improved the steering response. So I guess putting lighter weight wheels, I cannot tell any significant difference. In terms of cornering, I don't notice any real difference either. So I noticed an acceleration difference, nothing for steering response, and nothing for cornering. And I do really like how the RPF ones look. Everyone's like, why don't you go 18? Why don't you go wider? Well, these tires, you see, plenty of tread, and plus 17s will ride better than 18s any day of the week. And I wanted to have a tire size that matches stock, so I don't have to worry about speedometer differences or variances. And also these tire size, 255, 50, R17, these are pretty cheap. I got these Michelin AS 3 pluses on clearance sale for 125 a pop. That's 500 for tires, okay? 500 for Michelin Pilot Sport all season 3 pluses. These are really good all season tires. A lot of people on the forums rave about these tires, and for good reason. And I hope you guys enjoyed my update video.